birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Are you sure you're not peeping?
No.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, open! Open now!
Oh my god!
Happy birthday, baby! Happy 27 to the love of my life.
Are you joking?
What?
Bread again.
Baby, it's not just bread. I added soft drinks to it this time.
Like, seriously? What am I supposed to do with this?
Baby, it's your birthday. Huh? When you take the bread, you take the soft drink, and then it'll wash it down.
Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Must you always get me bread?
Baby, I added soft drinks. It's not just bread now. It's soft drinks. You know I don't have much. I did all of this for you to know that you are in my thoughts.
Which rubbish thoughts? Which rubbish thoughts? See, you had 1 year, a whole 1 year to prepare for my birthday, and all you could get me is bread. Okay, so this bread is supposed to represent a cake, Abi?
Baby, the only thing missing on this bread is icing. It's the same flour they use, the same sugar in it. It's just icing that is not on this bread now to make it cake.
Ah.
Baby, if you do this for me, I would appreciate
it. No, shut up, Joe! If I was you, I'll never do this for you. I'll get you cake. This here too bread. What am I supposed to do with this one? Must you repeat this thing every time? Every year you do this thing.
Baby, come on, baby.
I mean, just leave me alone.
Baby.
Don't bread, nonsense.
Ha! Baby! Why did she stab the bread like that? Babe, the bread is very soft. Why have you messed the bread up?
What is it now? Why are you touching me?
Why are you screaming?
You better don't touch me, for I will show you Chris.
Why are you shouting?
Why would I shout?
Baby, it's been 2 days. You know if I had money, I would do more for you.
Then go out there and make the money and bring it now, open for you. Can't you see the weather is hot? See the way I'm sweating, you want to do? Inside hot weather.
Baby, I just graduated and I will get a job. It's not easy to get a job in this country. I wish one day you will go out there to see how difficult it is to get a job. Yes.
Are you talking to me?
Baby, we've been together for years and we've been managing. Sometimes when you talk to me like this, I feel so stupid.
Well, I'm tired of managing. Is it wrong for me to want to just push my man to succeed?
There are different ways to do it. Do you think I want to be poor forever? Come on, you should know better.
So I know for you. Every time you just graduated, See, there are boys out there that have not even graduated. They are making money, buying houses, cars everywhere. My dear, go out there and make the money and bring it for me too now,
Why are you comparing me?
I am not comparing.
That is what you're doing. You're comparing me to...
I am not comparing you. I just want you to go out there, make money, and bring it for us to spend. Because see, I want to look good. I want to touch money. Other men are spoiling their women. I want you to spoil me. Spoil me. Your own is just to carry your condo up and down.
Just for tonight.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Baby, stop this now. What's this?
Go and pour cold water on that thing for it to go down. Don't touch me.
It rained today.
Don't touch me.
Everywhere is cold.
Everywhere is hot. See the way I'm sweating.
It's weather for 2.
Touch me and see what Don't touch me.
Baby, give me this thing.
Oh, I don't want to give you. Carry this thing away, John.
Stop now. Why are you doing this now?
I don't want to do.
Everywhere is hot. Everywhere is hot now.
Everywhere is hot now. That's why you're not supposed to do. Carry this thing.
It's hot down there now. Give me this thing.
Let me see. Welcome.
Thank you. You didn't go for lectures today?
Got cancelled.
Oh, okay. Is that Gary?
No, it's groceries.
Babe, now. Okay, is there anything for me to eat in this house?
Sand.
Sand? Baby, why are you being mean to me now? Huh? Why would you answer me like that?
I don't understand. How am I mean to you now?
I just asked if there's food, you said sand.
Did you leave food here? Did you leave food before going? Or did you drop money for me to cook?
Is this not my money you used to buy this guy?
Which money? When last have you given me money? Please, though, it's not your money.
Look, I know you have been saving all those 500 I've been giving you. You've been saving it.
Jesus.
That's why you're able to buy this. You're saying Jesus.
You can't lie, yo.
How am I lying? Is it not true?
I beg. This is not your money. My own money. If you want to beg.
Okay, please give me some. Let me drink. Let me put my pride aside.
Yeah, take. You have longer shoots.
So you have to take 6 spoons before you give me.
You haven't counting it.
Why won't I count? There's no milk. Okay, just give me coconut. What's this?
I'll keep this one for next time now.
Just give me half of that one now.
It's like you don't want to. Better take.
Babe, this one. With this guy.
Yeah, give me. This is love on the street.
What are we eating today?
I think we have Gary left.
I'm tired of eating Gary.
It's called groceries. Gary granola. But we don't have milk.
Milk? How much is milk?
See, 100 naira, 120 for one sachet.
Just buy one now so that we'll give it a little bit of flavor.
There's no sugar too.
There's no sugar. Who is this?
Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
What will a beautiful girl like you be doing under the sun like this? Do you live close?
Yes, I live just down the road.
Alright, you and your brother can come inside. Let me drop you.
Oga. Which brother? Can't you see she's with me? What sort of disrespect is this?
Excuse you, who are you?
Who am I?
Okay, please don't mind him.
Where are you going now?
Let's go inside.
Go inside to do what?
And the sun is too hot now. Enter.
We always walk to the house. Why are you entering somebody's car?
Hey, but there's a car now. So enter now.
Why are you embarrassing
me? Okay, let's go.
Wait, you shouldn't mind me. Are you serious right now? Wait, hey, stop this car. Hey.
When you were poor and broken,
what just happened?
Everyone looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice, as you got no money. People will see no good in you. That we hate you, reject you, insult you. They will see no good in you, as you got no money. That we write you off, man will not get money. Waiting me, they see no be choice.
What was that all about? Going into another man's car. Why would you do that? Don't you have any regard for me as your man or a boyfriend? I'm talking to you. Sonia. Sonia, I'm talking to you.
What is it now? Okay, so you're expecting me to continue working under the sun when a perfect gentleman offered to drive me home? What is your own? Why is it that you like suffer like this? Why do you like suffer? Eh?
Can you hear yourself speak? Have you lost your mind?
No, I haven't lost my mind. Maybe if you had a car, another man wouldn't have offered to give me a ride home.
Are you serious? Well, since you love money and the soft life so much, why have you not gone out there to make money for yourself? I feed you, shelter you, clothe you. I literally do everything for you, yet you're so ungrateful.
Did I force you? Eh? Eh? Did I force you? Did I force you to do anything for me? Oh, so because you kept me in this rubbish, nonsense house. See Mumu AC, no AC, it's not working. See your dirty curtain, see your bed, see everywhere. Oh, because you kept me and you want me to bow down and worship you? Eh? We've been together for the past 5 years. Living together, having sex together. I've been paying you now. So if you check it out, it's 50-50.
I don't think I know who you are anymore.
Well, I quit. I am done with this sham of a relationship. I have had it up to here. I am done.
Is this a joke? Are you pulling my legs or something?
Joke? Do I look like I have a smile on my face, eh? See, if I continue to stay here with you, poverty will just kill me. You will just use this your unfortunate life to rub off on me.
Look, why are you talking like this? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for talking to you like this. I don't know what came over me.
You see, this is your mouth. This is your mouth that you're running anyhow. That anger in you, you know, if you use it to go out there and make money like your fellow mates, you won't be here talking anyhow, you know.
You don't have to do this. I said I'm sorry.
I am done.
Sonia, please, look.
I quit. Look at me, a fine girl like me. Look at what you've turned me into. Sherry, you want me to go out there? No. You want me to go out there and make money? I will go out there and make money. Wait. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Miss Sonia?
Yeah.
My boss will see you now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next door by the left-hand side.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Second class upper.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, sir.
You do not have any work experience though. Why?
Sir, I just graduated and it's difficult finding a job in Nigeria. I've been unfortunate to find one, sir.
I agree. So how much would you like to be paid if we decide to employ you?
Sir, if you give me 200,000, I'll collect. So anything that you think befits my position is fine by me, sir.
Interesting. You're aware we just started the company, so we do not have up to that amount to pay you yet. However, if you maintain a consistent and commendable performance, we might just review your salary during the next salary review process. If that's fine by you, then you have the job.
I have the job?
Yeah, if that's fine by you.
It's fine by me, I'm okay. Sir, when can I resume, please?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Yeah. Thank you, sir. I promise I will not disappoint you.
I hope so.
Thank you, sir.
You're
I'll
welcome.
take my leave, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Wow.
Sonia.
Eh? So after all this change on me, now my bum me they look. So you're still poor. It's been 3 years and you're still like this. Eh?
Look,
What is your best friend do?
it's nice to see you, but I have to rush.
Rush
okay?
where? Come back here. If it's the interview you're going for, it's over already. You
What?
came late. We're done.
Eh? How?
How what?
How is the interview? What are you talking about?
The interview is done.
No, it can't be
Come
done.
back here. Do you know you are very unfortunate? Eh? Poverty is just all over you. Bad luck is your shadow. Bad luck is just following you up and down, left and right.
No, tell me, why are you insulting me?
Why won't I insult you? Eh? Why did I even see you now, Seth? Why did I even see you? Can't you see me? See, a lot has changed. See me. I'm different from the Sonia of 3 years. But you, nothing. The same you. See your face. See your trouser. Trouser of 3 years ago, bro. This top. Wasn't not this one? That landlord brother gave to you. Hey. Sorry, oh. Just go, eh? There's no vacancy. Nothing. Come back. Nothing. Go now. We're going. If you like, go. There's nothing there for you. See him. Bad luck. Following you up and down. I don't even know why. Don't come and give me that your bad luck, oh. See poverty. Poverty. Bye-bye.
When you were poor and broken, everyone looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice, I still got no money. People will see no good in you. That we hate you, reject you, insult you. That we see no good in you, cause you got no money. That we write you off. See, man, we no get money. Waiting with the scene of his choice. Man, we no get money.
But I can.
Need the say shake it, hey. Man,
But
we
I can.
no get money. Waiting with the scene of his choice.
Yes.
Man, we no get money. Right? No big wahala.
Why are you looking like this? Did somebody die?
Nobody dies.
But why are you now looking like this? What happened?
It's nothing. Why are you here?
It's the job. You did not get the job, Abby. Eh?
Yes.
Oh, but Ken, I'm sorry. Don't worry. Next time you will get a job, okay?
Okay. Amen.
Have you eaten?
No, I've not eaten.
I know. It's written all over your face. You look hungry. And you don't even look like you have money to buy food for yourself. But don't worry. Amaka will do something for you. I will make nice egusi soup. Oh. Don't be scared. Not that type that will make you to be nyo pere pere pere. This egusi soup, my own, if you taste it, all the worms in your belly will turn to bright stars. Yes, so calm down.
Egusi soup.
It's egusi soup with okporoko.
Amaka, see, I don't want your father to come in.
I say sure. Don't worry, let me feed you. Brother Ken, I want to feed you. Don't worry about my father. He can't do anything. Don't be scared. Let me feed you. Don't be scared. I'm coming. Don't be angry again.
Babe, you see the vex? Seeing that guy today just made everything worse. It just brought back old memories. Memories that I've forgotten already.
Was he that bad?
Anything worse than bad was what he represented. Imagine, to think that this guy made me miss a lot of rich men just because we were living together.
But you guys weren't just living together, you guys were dating.
Honestly, I wish I didn't see him. I just wish I didn't see him today.
Well, just cheer up. Being so angry is not going to change anything. It's not like you're going to be seeing him again, right?
I just hope not, because I don't want to set my eyes on him. The next time I will set my eyes on that guy, I will spit on him.
Abba, Sonia, that man was once the sugar in your tea.
I beg. Where's more sugar? Should rubbish sugar in it. Not only sugar is on it. I beg, give me a drink, make I change.
I don't finish my drink now. I thought you weren't doing you.
No, who's sweet?
This girl. Finish my drink.
Yo.
Ken, open this door. I know my stupid daughter is inside that house. Open this door. Ken!
I thought you said he went out.
It was
Amaka!
before. It's been no day before now.
Ken!
What are we going to do?
Don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Amaka, come outside here.
Okay, come. Let me go and see.
Amaka, will you come outside? You will come outside.
Daddy. Daddy, calm down now.
Calm down. What are you doing in this room?
Nothing, sir.
What do you know that nothing?
Nothing.
So, you have chosen to bring me shame and disrespect in this compound. Okay? Why did you decide to, you now decided to follow that fool?
Don't call him a fool. Ken is not a fool.
What do you mean by that?
He's not a fool, John.
So what is he?
Nothing.
A human being?
Yes, sir.
Go.
No, Papa, leave me, John.
Don't.
Madam, please, I really need this job.
I clearly told you that the interviews has ended and there's no vacancy left.
Okay, can I at least drop my CV?
No, you can't. I'm sorry.
Hi. Please, do you have any idea when a vacancy will be opened? Anyone at all?
No idea.
But
What's going on here?
His job hunting, sir, and I clearly told him there's no vacancies left.
Yes, we do not have vacancies. Better luck next time. Sonia, let's leave.
Thank you.
He heard my voice.
Thank you.
You see your life? Though you see your life?
Landlord. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good night.
No, good night.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good night. Good morning.
Good evening.
So, you have decided to be sneaking in and out, okay?
No, I was not sneaking. It's just I injured my leg.
Oh, you injured your leg?
Yes.
Iwoshi.
Ah.
You are a pure thief.
Okay, landlord, you know I'm not a thief now.
Say, don't say that.
I'm your tenant.
You're your tenant. Where's my rent?
Sir?
Where's my rent? Do you realize you have stayed in this house for the past 2 years without me?
2 years.
2 years. Do you think I come to Lagos to run a charity organization? Ken, where's my money?
Landlord, you know I'm your longest tenant. I've stayed here longer than anybody in this building.
May God punish you. Your head has not engine, Ken.
Okay, landlord, you have to give me privileges, so I need it.
Privilege? You say privilege? Okay, you are mad. What more privilege do you need? Can't drag it. You have lived in my house for 2 years for free. My daughter brings food to you for free. How am I sure you are not sleeping with my daughter?
Landlord, God forbid, though.
God forbid what?
I can't sleep with your daughter.
Are you telling me she's not good for you to sleep with?
No, that's not what I'm saying now.
What are you saying then?
Landlord, see, I'm gathering money to pay my rent. Just give me small time, I'll pay you.
Do you know how long you've been gathering money? I give you 2 months. 2 months grace. If you don't pay my money, I will first of all lock you in Kirikiri before I will let you go.
No, landlord, I just started gathering
pay my money. Pay my money. I tell you, pay my money. Pay my money.
I'll pay. Landlord, 2 months is too small now.
2 months is too small. It's too small. You are living in my house for 2 years. You say 2 months is too small. Are you mad?
I just started gathering money now.
God punish you.
Landlord, just give me 1 year to gather this money.
I said God punish you. I punish you again 2 times. You're the bad man.
Just 1 year to gather this money.
Do you know how much I use in building this house?
Hi.
Do you know how I survive my life?
Landlord, 2 months is too short.
I will send you out of this house soon.
You give me 2 months to gather 2 years rent. Where will I go and get the money to pay that 2 years? What kind of a landlord is this? Give me 1 year, let me just gather this money and pay you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You can call me Ruben.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure. Call me Ruben.
Okay.
Do you have a man in your life?
No, I don't have a man in my life. I'm single.
How come? That's very difficult to believe.
Why?
Have you seen yourself? You're a walking goddess.
You have your way with words.
Well, I'm stating the obvious. Sonia, I like you.
I like you too. I'll just go then.
Oh, okay. That's fine. You take care of yourself.
Am I truly cursed? Was I really born to be poor? Everything I lay my hands on just doesn't seem to work. The last job I managed to get an interview for, I went late. What exactly is happening with my life? Why is nothing working? This is crazy.
He just said he likes you. He did not ask you out. So why all this excitement on your face?
Was you supposed to ask me out? See, you know, is my exact kind of man. I mean, is tall, is fine, and above all, is rich. See, there's difference between and rich. This one is rich. You know, I've always known that relocating to Lagos is the best thing I can ever do to myself. And thank God for bringing me this man that will take away the poverty in my life.
Must a man take you out of poverty? Sonia, can't you take yourself out of poverty?
And what's that supposed to mean? Huh? No, talk now. What's that supposed to mean? Since you are running your mouth anyhow, tell me what's that supposed to mean?
That's your business.
You just be running your mouth anyhow. My baby's calling me. Hello? Yeah, who is this?
It's me.
It's you, who?
It's me, Ken.
Ken? God forbid. Why are you calling me? What do you want from me, eh?
Why are you being so mean to me? What have I done to deserve such ill treatment from you?
The question is, why are you calling me?
Your number hasn't been going through, so I just decided to try it. It started ringing.
You better just untry that number. Untry the number and stop calling me. What is it now? Is it by force? I have moved on, so you to move on now. Allow me to move on to greater things.
I miss you. My life hasn't been the same since you left. I'm so depressed and tired of life.
I reject it. You miss who? Is that depression that will kill you? You miss who? Please, I reject it for myself and I reject it for my enemy. Please don't call this number again. Don't call my number again. You miss who?
Sonia, hello? Hello, Sonia.
See, if you ever in your life call my name again, the thunder that will fire you is being pressed up. Better don't call me again, no? What's this? Nonsense. What rubbish?
Sonia.
Sonia, that was mean.
I mean, you just shut up, Jare. That was mean what? You don't mind your business. Hey. Let me even block himself. What kind of nonsense is this? Why is he still calling me?
Brother Ken, good morning.
Good morning.
Brother Ken, is everything okay?
I'm fine.
Did I do something wrong?
No, you didn't do anything wrong. Look, it's too early. I don't want your father's trouble, okay? Just go back and wash your clothes.
Brother Ken.
Can you just leave me?
When you were poor and broken, everyone looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice, as you got no money. People will see no good in you. That we hate you, reject you, insult you. That we see no good in you, cause you got no money. That we write you off. See, man, we no get money. Waiting me, they see no be choice. Man, we no get money. He they say shake it, hey. Man, we no get money. Waiting he they say no be choice. Man, we no get money. I no big wahala. Oh. looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice. I still got no money. People will see no good in you. Yeah, we hate you, reject you, insult you.
Good morning.
You again? You already told you there's no vacancy.
I did not come for the job. I actually came to see Sonia. Is she around?
Sonia, the one who works here?
Yes.
Is she expecting you?
Not really.
Okay, well, she's not in the office.
Okay, do you know where she's gone to?
Really? Am I meant to answer that?
Look, the thing is, I really need to see her. It's very urgent.
Well, maybe come back next time or tomorrow or next. We'll see her.
Tomorrow or next?
Mm-hmm. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. You again?
Yes, sir.
I told you we do not have any vacancies.
He's here to see me, Sonia.
Me? What for? Why? Do I know you?
Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. It's just that I really need to speak with her.
Speak to me for what? I don't know him. I've never seen this man before. Do you know me?
It's very urgent, sir.
Just speak with him. Perhaps he has an important information to pass.
Okay, sir.
Meet me in my office now.
Thank you, sir. I'm not a baby now.
What are you doing? What do you want from me?
Sonia, why are you being mean to me?
I asked you a question. What are you doing here? What do you want?
I miss you. I miss us. Sonia, I'm losing my mind.
Lose that mind, you lose that mind. You're very stupid for coming here. It's been how many years? After 3 years, you think I'll come back to you? Please, just stay away from me. I don't want you. Can't you see I've upgraded? No, just take a look at yourself. Look at, see, poverty everywhere. It's written all over you. See, I'm no longer the Sonia you used to know. This Sonia is different. Can you see my hair? Can you see my clothes? Look at you. I have upgraded, but look at you. Look at the way you still look. You're still the same. And you want me to come back to you for what?
So you don't miss me?
I don't miss you. I don't want you. Can't you see it? See, I have a man now. A man that is taking care of me. So I don't need you. Don't come close to me. What is it?
Okay, can you at least show me where you live?
I should show you where I live. What are you coming to do there? What do you want?
Just to greet you now.
So greet me and say what? See, nothing can ever come between us again. I don't need you. Do you know what you made me lose? All the rich men that were coming close to me, you just stopped me from following them. Don't come and drag me back to your poverty. I don't need you. Come and start going. Don't come and look for me again.
But I need you.
You need. Don't follow me with your poverty self.
When you were poor and broken, everyone looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice. I still got no money. People will see no good in you. That we hate you, reject you, insult you. That we see no good in you. Cause you got no money. That we write you off. See, man, we no get money. Waiting me, they see no be choice. Man, we no get money. Need they say shake it, hey. Man, we no get money. Waiting me, they say no be choice. Man, we no get money. I no be key wala.
You don't like me?
I do.
So what's the problem?
It's just that I have been hurt before, and I don't want to be hurt again.
Listen, I can never and will never treat you like your ex. I'll never hurt you. I like you. I like you so much, and I want to go on this journey with you. You're everything I want in a woman and more.
You're good with words.
Yeah, but I'm just being very honest with you. Ever since I set my eyes on you, I've not been able to get you off my mind. I think about you every single day.
Same here.
You do? Then say yes to me. Accept to be my woman and I'll make you the happiest woman in the world.
Okay.
Is that a yes? Yes!
Why are you so excited?
Because you make me happy. Come here, come here. Love you.
Alright. I will just go.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Bye.
Take care.
You too.
Amaka, what were you doing in my room? Huh?
Well, Ken, good evening.
Good evening. You've not answered my question. What were you doing in my room?
Okay. I saw where you dropped your spare key. I now opened your door. I entered your room, and your room was looking so dirty. I now cleaned everywhere and washed your dirty clothes.
Why would you do that? What if your father saw you? Look, I don't want his trouble.
My father has traveled. He's not around.
And so? Amaka, why are you doing all of this? Huh? I have nothing to offer. I am very poor. Look, if you're doing this because you're looking for a boyfriend or a husband, then you're looking at the wrong place. What's funny?
The way you're talking, your voice is so sweet. Your voice is sweet, Brother King. Okay, calm down. I know why you're behaving like this. The reason is because you are very hungry. A hungry man is an angry man. Okay? I'm going to cook something for you to eat. So just go inside and freshen up yourself. Have your bath. After eating, your body will calm down because I'm going to cook delicious meal for you with fufu because I know you like fufu. Brother Ken.
But I don't tire. I swear, I don't tire. This is my CV, I don't throw away am because I don't trust I go figure to work with that thing.
Sir, now you distress yourself over office jobs. Now you now, Ken. See this menial job where they do, you get a lot of people they do am for street, say that they use and make money, build house, buy cars. You don't need office job, you don't need them.
Yeah. How many menial jobs I go do take save money by car?
Okay. More use my own job as an example. See that boss where they work with. In the pay us 100 naira per block. If you carry one block, he will give you 100 naira. Calculate them. You know how much you will carry go house after 1 month?
That's small money now.
Small money. See my guy.
100 blocks. What be 10K be that?
Not 10K now. Calculate 10K at the end of the month, at the end of the year. You don't know how much you carry go house.
Make I ask you something.
I hear you.
Just answer me truthfully. If I carry 100 blocks per day for 30 days, how many blocks will that? Now body pain will kill me.
She's talking about body pain. Oh, we get strategy, we get scope for them. Get one agbo like that we they drink.
Agbo?
Which one be agbo? You don't know what agbo mean?
I know agbo now, I know.
Get one woman when they come and work. You carry her, mix her for us like this, you drink her. Where you dey work, you no go feel any pain. In fact, if you can't reach house where you dey feel small pain, you go still dey take calm. At the end, you go strong. See your muscle. Strong.
This agbo itself. Wetin this woman they put for inside?
Guy, why you dey stress me now? You dey
ask now.
Asking too much question. Wetin happen? Don't be you dey find work. Oh, you don't need money again. You like this your poverty life?
I don't like am, but I dey ask questions now.
Wait. I'll carry you go my boss tomorrow. You'll see him, eh? Before you know what's up, you say I've done the ball like us.
Which one be the ball in this one?
I don't be like person with the ball. My guy, you don't yourself, you find office job. I beg.
Oh, shey baller.
You don't finish my biscuits. You don't finish my biscuits. Why they do like this now?
I beg leave me.
Make I go buy another one. Make I buy, Abi. Abi, you don't do alright.
No, but I will stop now.
Now make I sharply buy. They come.
No.
Don't come out too.
I don't go pay back. Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Please, I want you to take a look at this file.
Okay. Why did they change the template?
I thought you were aware, sir.
No, I'm not aware of this. Our clients already know how our contract comes, so suddenly changing the template will throw them off a bit.
Okay, then I'll just tell them to stick to the previous template.
Okay, that would be great. No, this is unacceptable.
I thought as much.
Yeah. Just try and see if you can convince them. If they remain adamant, just leave them be.
Are you sure?
Yes, baby.
Can you please don't call me baby? The walls have ears.
Come.
Come where?
This is my company.
I know, but someone can just walk in.
This is my company.
I know.
I called the shop. Come. Shh. Okay, just a quick one.
No. Stop it already. What's going?
Okay, just a quick one. Hey.
Who's that?
Brother Ken.
Oh. Can't this girl just leave me alone? Hi. The door.
Brother Ken.
The door is opened.
Brother Ken.
Mm.
What is wrong with you?
I'm fine.
The trailer jammed you.
Will I still be alive if a trailer hit me?
Oh, that's true. So what is wrong with you now? Why are you like this?
There's nothing wrong with me.
Did you fight with somebody or did somebody beat you up?
I did not fight with anybody.
So what happened?
Amaka, no. Just.
Is it that block that you are carrying? Your new job? I talk am. Shebi is that block? I talk am. This kind of work is not for people like you. You are a softie. And you went to do that kind of work.
I am not a softie.
You are a strongie. You are not a softie. What happened now? What happened with the job?
Amaka, I'm fine, okay?
You are not fine. What about the abo?
That stupid thing. I've stopped taking it. I wonder why those guys will be taking something like that. There's no dosage. They only take it just to subdue the pain. We don't even know what that woman puts in that thing. Mixtures like that can be very dangerous to our health. Can damage the lungs, liver, or kidney.
Wait, so you're trying to say that all those people, their kidney and their liver, dead? Hey!
When did I say that?
You said it now.
Amaka, why are you here?
Brother Ken, I am here because since you came back from work, I've not seen you outside. So I just excused myself to come inside and know what is wrong with you.
Okay, thank you. As you can see, I am fine.
No, you are not fine.
I am fine.
Brother Keke, look into my eyes and tell me you are fine.
Amaka, I am fine.
You are not fine. Okay, let me buy you a body pain medicine, okay?
It's late. Just go and sleep, okay?
Sleep is not worrying me now. You want to use style and pursue me.
I'm not pursuing you. Amaka, just leave me. I want to rest.
Okay,
I'm
let me
tired.
boil hot water to massage your body.
I am fine.
You are not fine.
Oh, God.
You are not fine. I want to massage you.
I don't want to be massaged.
I will massage you, Todd.
No.
Yes.
Hi.
I will massage you, but I can just lie down.
Amaka, stop now.
Brother Ken, the way you are doing, somebody will think we are doing something bad. I like your soundtrack. Brother Ken, are you sleeping?
No, I'm awake.
But you're not talking now. Brother Ken, tell me, what kind of woman do you like? Brother Ken.
Yes?
I'm talking to you now.
What did you say?
I asked you a question.
What was that?
I said, what kind of woman do you like?
Why do you ask?
Brother Ken, I like it too much.
Huh?
I really, really like you.
Wait. You say what?
Brother Ken, check me out. Check the golden one out too. Make sure of for her and the egusi soup.
Amaka, it's okay.
It's late. Just go and sleep. Alright? Just go to your room and sleep.
Must I go?
Eh?
Must I go?
Can't
I sleep here?
You sleep where?
Yeah.
No. Just take the stuff and go.
I want to
Go.
massage.
Amaka, no.
I want to massage you.
Amaka, stop! What is all this? No. Oh, you want to rape me? That is your plan.
Everyone looks down on you. You got no rights, you got no choice. I still got no money. People will see no good in you. They will hate you, reject you, insult you. They will see no good in you. Cause you got no money.
Can you imagine? You want your father to kill me? If they have body pain, what to do? And disturb my sleep.
Sonia, it's been months already. I have not even seen any changes in you. You are still struggling. This guy has not even done anything for you. I have not even seen anything this guy has done for you. Have you even seen one gift this guy has bought for you? It's not like he has even increased your salary. Nothing. No car, no flashy things, nothing. And you say he's rich. Even this apartment you are staying, you are still living with me in this one-room apartment. I thought you said this man is rich. And God has sent him to you to take you out of poverty.
There's no need to rush. Perhaps it's just taking the time.
Or perhaps he doesn't find you worthy of spending his money on.
You sent for us, sir?
Yes, I did. So I'll be needing the both of you to go and check out the property for me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, all information you'll be needing for the property has been sent to you via email.
Okay.
Sonia, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, like I was saying, I would need the both of you to extensively check out this property for me, because the owner of the property wants to sell it off as soon as possible, but I still want the both of you to go and check out the property because, of course, I'll be investing in it, right? So I wouldn't want a situation whereby I'll be spending a lot of money trying to reconstruct the property. Do you understand?
Duly noted, sir.
Good.
Right,
You
sir.
can leave now.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sonia.
Sir.
Please, sit. Sonia, what's the problem? You've been cold.
Nothing, I'm fine.
You know I know you too well. What's the problem? Talk to me.
Why haven't I been to your house? Why don't I know where you stay?
Oh, that.
I mean, you don't buy me gifts. You don't take me out. You don't do anything for me. All you do is have sex with me in the car and in the office.
Okay, you need to calm down. This is not something you should get yourself worked up about.
I'm worked up about it. Because I don't understand. I don't know where you live. I don't know anything about you. I don't know anything. I don't know where my man lives. Wait, are you married?
Married? Sonia, please don't be silly. Don't. I'm not married.
I want you to take me to your place.
I will take you to my house.
When?
Today. Tonight.
Tell me your address.
Excuse me?
Tell me your address. Say it.
Okay. Number 2, Adonai, Lekki.
Okay, that's fine. I'll have to leave then.
Sonia, you're still cold.
That's because I don't like the fact that you don't do the things you're supposed to do. I don't need to ask you before you do them.
Okay. I'll do better.
Better.
Sonia, this place is really local. Like, look at the road. So bad. Are you even sure Mr. Ruben will be willing to invest in this kind of place? Looks like a no-man area.
Me, I'm very sure that he will not invest here because this road is not nice at all. This place is not good though. I don't think he's going to invest anything here. Can you imagine? Be careful, don't fall. He wants to invest here. He will not even make your money back. I'll tell him not to.
Hello. Hello.
Joy, there's no one around. Let's just go.
Sonia, calm down. At least let's just finish with this. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
So the landlord is actually expecting us, yeah? We're from Ruben Real Estate Company and we're here to inspect the building.
Oh, he told me you people will be coming.
Oh,
so you can go ahead.
Okay, we can.
Yes.
All right, great. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
So you still live here?
Sonia.
You see? Now you believe when I told you that Poverty is your calling. You've always been poor.
Who are you? Don't talk to him like that again.
I know he's a scarecrow.
Whatever that thing means, back to the sender.
Oh, it's obvious you don't even know the meaning. You see, this is the exact girl that suits you. You both are on the same level. Local in Bcos. Bcos feeling funky.
Where?
Sonia, what's going on here?
I just saw the guy that used to be our gate man. Decided to say hi to him.
Oh, okay.
Can we go?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So you know her?
What is your problem? Huh? Can you not meddle in things that doesn't concern you? Huh?
I was just trying to.
Hello. Yes, I'm Ruben here. Who? Oh, Mr. Chris. Yes, when did you get back in the country? Oh, okay. When? Yes, I'm around, I'm available. Okay, all right, sir. Okay, I'll see you soon. All right, sir.
Is everything okay?
Yes, that was Mr. Chris. He's one of our biggest clients. He just got back in the country and wants to meet up tonight.
Oh, so that means we're going together?
Not we. I alone.
Why?
Babe, he doesn't know you. I've been the one doing business with him all these years.
Okay, so that means we're not going to your house this night?
Babe, you know, I really would have loved for us to go to my house, but this is business. I mean, I need to make this money because you deserve this baby girl lifestyle, alright? So just understand, please.
Okay, I understand. So, are you gonna drop me off?
Maybe you might have to take a cab because the hotel is at this completely different route from where you're going, so you might just have to take a cab.
Why?
Babe, I thought you said you understood.
Fine, I understood. I understand. Anyhow, it's okay.
Thank you.
Just drop me, I'll take a cab.
Well, just smile for me, baby.
Just drop me, please. Let me take a cab.
Okay. Oh, babe, smile for me. Babe! I love you!
So who was that woman?
My ex.
Eh? Your ex? The one that abandoned you? Hey! She is very wicked.
Amaka, can you please leave before your father gets back?
Why do you like chasing me away?
I am not chasing you away. I need some time alone. You're always in my space. Look, I don't like it.
Why are you so mean to me? Why?
I am not mean. Okay? I don't like you as much as you do. I don't want to lead you on.
But I can.
Am I your brother? I am not your brother. Huh? Why are you stressing me out?
Amaka! I know you are in there. Come outside. Amaka, will you come outside here?
Your father is back. Can you just leave?
You are hurting me.
How am I hurting you?
You are hurting me.
I am not. I don't understand. What do you mean I'm hurting you?
Amaka, what kind of a girl are you? Why are you forcing yourself on that unfortunate man? Ilabanya?
Can you hear your father? Just go. Go. Go.
Can you see how you are embarrassing me? Of all the men in this neighborhood, is this boy that has no future you are crying for and decided to follow? Hey, you are very foolish. Okay, you are so foolish. Mama, will you come and come and let's go to that idiot. As for you, Ken, I'm waiting for you. You know now. If you try, don't pay my rent, you will see what I'm going to do to you. When you believe me.
Personally, sir, I don't think that is a worthy investment.
Yeah, I share the same thoughts as that.
Yeah.
Because the building is bad?
Too old, like almost collapsing.
That's bad.
Yeah, and if you decide to buy it, you'll be spending a lot into renovating it. I don't think it's a good investment. The building is old and it's almost gone. I used to live there.
You used to live there?
No, me? How? Do I look like someone that can live there?
Not as much.
No.
Well, I've heard your thoughts. I would make the final decision.
All right, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Can go
you.
back
Thank
to
you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, you don't lean, no.
I don't lean.
You don't lean.
I don't get mirror for house now. I don't know.
Oh, you say you be my party. I don't feel they lie give you. You don't really slim down. I be dey on diet.
They play. Which kind of diet? About
How now? What? I don't feel they play with my guy now.
na food I no see chop or which kind of diet? I beg.
But now like this, as you don't be. Every morning, if you wake up, carry like 2 tins of milk, drink am. If you come back from work, drink am again. Don't be like this you be before, my guy. Don't slim, you don't lean, no, I swear.
2 tins of milk? With which money? All the work I don't work, bro. I dey save the money, pay my debt, my rent. No worry, I go dey alright. I just lean now, I no die.
No, I understand, sure, I understand. But I don't feel like you. You know, say normal, if I see you for street, I say, my guy, I won't be like you. Still as I do now. I won't be like you now. All your bones don't get space. Everywhere don't. I beg.
I will be alright.
They chop well, I beg, my guy. They chop.
Somebody they look back. What's happening? Who they come?
I don't know.
You'll give me this now.
No, I will call you. I need to call you myself. Don't call me.
Come here.
Hey.
Who's calling me at this time? I'm tired, though. Hello? Joe. Jesus Christ. Where have you been? Dubai. My guy, you're flexing, oh. After school, we don't see your tail light again. Which nonsense money? See, hunger they wire me for a year. There's no money. But it's good to hear from you. What's going on? Which wallet? Oh, yeah. But I told you that thing was a waste of time now. We're just wasting our money. Eh? My wallet. Okay, it's good to hear from you too. Safe, bro. My wallet. Do I even remember the password to that wallet? Wait, it's like I wrote it somewhere. I wrote this password, I wrote it somewhere. Password. Which phone I will take? I don't have a phone to check this in my wallet. I can't use this phone to log in now. Amaka. Amaka's phone. Amaka! Amaka! Amaka!
Come here! Why do you want to break down my door? What is it?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. What do you want?
Please, I want to see Amaka.
Why do you want to see her? What business do you have with her?
It's very important. I just need to see her.
Can I ask you now, what business do you have with her? Eh? But you were the one who said you don't like her. Okay? You said you don't like her. So why do you want to see her?
I just didn't want to deceive her.
Ken, you are very wicked and ungrateful.
Sir?
Yes. After all she has done for you, you lived in my house for 2 years without payment. She even gave you quality food. My food. My food, Ken. So this is what you use to pay her back.
Sir, I am truly very sorry.
Oh, you are truly very sorry. Okay, I'm sorry too. You can't see her.
Sir, please, see, just tell her to come. It's very important.
Why do you want to see me?
Amaka, can we speak privately?
No. You want to, can you imagine? You want to speak privately with my daughter at this time of the night? Yeah? Okay.
Sir, Amaka, just 1 minute, okay? Just 1 minute. Let's go.
Who am I even fighting for? I know you are stupid like your mother. I know. You will come back and meet me in this house. Onyala.
Sorry, I want to check something in my wallet, yeah? But there's nothing in my wallet. Why did he ask me to check my wallet?
Maybe try again now. Maybe it's network. Network is bad.
Okay, let me refresh it.
What are all these numbers?
Amaka, pinch me.
You asked me to pinch you.
Did I say you pinch me this hard? Oh my God! All of this? Amaka, I am rich. I am rich! Listen, do not tell anyone about this. Do you hear me? You promise?
I promise.
Don't tell anybody. I am rich! Finally, God has answered my prayers. Wow! Oh my God!
How is it possible?
Oh, yes!
Please, be careful,
yes,
don't
yes,
fall.
yes, yes. I am rich. I am rich. I am rich. I can buy this house. I can buy your father.
Hey, don't allow my father to hear that one.
Sorry. But don't tell him. Don't tell him. Sorry. I am rich.
But how is that possible?
God. I'm okay. Oh, hey, sorry, it's your phone. Sorry. Thank you very much.
Is that all?
Yes.
Hug me now.
I am rich. Sorry.
Hello. Thank you. Sonia, what's wrong?
Yesterday was my birthday.
My goodness, I had no idea. How did it go?
Really? You didn't remember?
I didn't know.
What do you even know about me? You know nothing about me.
Babe, don't do this, please. Don't.
You know, I intentionally did not call you yesterday to see if you're going to call me. But you just blanked. You didn't call me. You didn't text me. Nothing. Are we really dating?
Babe, must we talk every day? We're both adults and we have things going on in our lives. We must not talk every day.
Really?
Yes.
Why then did you put so much energy in chasing me if you know you're just going to be nonchalant?
Oh, please. Sonia, this is working hours. Please don't do this. Don't even start, please.
I shouldn't even start. You didn't even get me a gift. Nothing. You didn't buy me anything.
Sonia, why can't you do these things for yourself? It's your birthday, right? Why do I have to buy you things on your birthday? Why can't you celebrate yourself? Sonia, I have been wanting to say this, but you come off as a leash, to be honest.
Wow. Since we started dating, have you gotten anything from me? Have you gotten me a gift? Have you taken me out before? Have we gone on a date?
Sonia, I advise you go back to work. It's working hours and we shouldn't be doing this. We can have this conversation some other time. Go back to work, please. Please. Thank you. I should buy things for you. Do I look like your mother? God, these girls, I don't understand.
But that guy doesn't rate you, Shao. Eh? But I've told you this in earlier. That guy doesn't see you as a woman he can spend his money on.
So this man just wants to keep sleeping with me without contributing anything meaningful into my life. Nothing at all. But wait, why do I keep attracting this kind of men? Eh?
Maybe because you don't want to work hard for your own money. Yes. You just want to find an easy way out. That's the truth. You are what you attract.
And what's that supposed to mean?
What I mean is that you need to focus on yourself and build yourself as a woman. Make money for yourself. Don't wait for a man to come and give you all this princess treatment when you can give yourself that princess treatment first. Believe it or not, men know the kind of men they will spend their money on.
But I've been working hard and I've been building myself. I don't just know why I keep attracting this kind of rubbish men. See now, I'm 31 already.
You're 31, Uncle. You are not old now. You're not old.
I'm not old. But my mates are, well, sure, you are my mates. You are here, you're not married. But some people are out there They are married. Me, I want to be married with my husband, enjoying life, chopping his money, traveling up and down. I
can see. You just keep living in your fantasy, eh? Baby in the dreamland. Very soon, I go soon clear.
I'm not blaming you. You don't already accept your fate.
I don't accept that.
You don't even touch my cereal because I buy cereal. Now you buy them.
I mean buy them.
For where?
I will contribute money buy them.
What when they come from work, I buy them for?
Yeah, I give you money to buy cereal.
Well, they just beg me.
Ken, this was sudden change. It's a serious miracle. But all the same, I'm very, very happy for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very happy.
I want to thank you for allowing me stay in your house without paying rent all these years. Not every landlord will allow that. So, in that case, thank you.
Well, in our family, we are very, very generous. A good Samaritan. You see, my daughter always used to blackmail me all the time. But I have no choice than to allow you to stay so that I can breathe. I love my daughter.
Landlord, I just sent you 2 million naira.
I've been hearing this phone vibrating. I don't know. Yeah? 2 million?
Yes, sir.
Ken, 2 million. 2
million naira.
2 million. Ken, 2 billion. May God bless you.
Amen.
Replenish your pocket.
Amen.
You will never lack.
Amen. Amen.
Amaka, I don't know how I'm going to repay you for all the good
No. I don't need any payment. Don't pay me anything.
Okay, what's wrong with you? She needs payment. She needs payment.
That usually me, Bcos.
Are you stupid?
Oh.
She needs payment.
I don't need any payment. Don't mind my daddy.
You know, your future husband is going to be a very lucky man. Yes. You're very special.
Yes, she's special.
Very special.
Very special.
I mean, obviously you're a dad, so...
no, there's no problem. No problem. Well, thank you all the same. Thank you again for the 2 million.
You're welcome.
Yeah?
We're here. Can you stop doing that to your face? What are you doing?
What again? What again?
Yes. Hold on.
Hey!
Yeah. There we go. You're welcome to my humble abode. What do you think? Amaka.
Yes.
What do you think?
Brother Ken, is this really your house?
Yes. This is it.
Jehovah.
You like it?
I like it. I love it. This house is like heaven.
Thank you. Well, you can visit anytime you want. You sure you like it?
Yes. It's beautiful.
You love it? That's good.
It's really fine. It's beautiful.
Come, let me show you to the rooms, okay?
Okay.
So, this is the kitchen right here.
Yeah, I'll be cooking.
Oh, you're gonna cook for me, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, hello?
Hi, Sonia.
Ken?
Yes, it's me.
Why are you calling me? Didn't I tell you not to call me again? Can you just please stop calling me? Am I the only girl in Lagos? Am I the only girl in Lagos? Just stop calling me!
I have made money.
Huh? Wow. This is your house?
Yes.
How come?
It's a long story.
Can I?
Yeah.
Your house is beautiful.
You look pretty shocked.
In all honesty, yes. I mean, tell me, how did it happen?
Well, 4 years ago, a classmate made me invest some money in new crypto coins. I forgot about it after we purchased it because I felt it was, a waste of money.
Wow. You mean you made all this money from coins?
Do you remember when we used to say that we will make a lot of money and buy a nice house like this?
Yes, I remember. It was just like yesterday.
Are you still with your boss?
How did you know?
No. It's okay. It's not important. Are you still with him?
No, I broke up with him.
Oh, that's great then. Cheers to that.
Why did you ask?
Isn't it obvious? I still have feelings for you.
Baby, I still have feelings for you too. You know, I always knew that you were going to become someone great. I knew you were going to be a rich man. You just needed a little push, and that was what I did. I've always had you in mind.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Always.
Always. I miss you. Surprise!
You did not call to say that you were coming.
But Ken, you say I can come anytime I want.
Yes, I know what I said, but still, you should at least call.
Next time. Sorry. So, I brought you foodstuffs. I'm going to cook. Then this is Isiewu pepper soup, goat meat.
Oh, thank you. Is that all?
What is she doing here?
This is your ex.
Why is she here?
She's my friend.
Your friend? This thing, your friend? Well, I think you need to tell her that we are back together. And she needs to stop coming whenever she likes. Bye! Hey, baby. We have an unfinished business in the bedroom. Let's go. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, baby. Give it to me, Daddy.
Just look at you. Look at you, you're just crying. I hope you realize that crying will not change anything. Did I warn you? I warned you, but you refuse to listen. That stupid boy does not like you. And I don't know why. Don't know why you are killing yourself, forcing yourself from him. Yeah, Amaka? You are the only surviving child that I have. And I want the best for you. Forget this man. Forget him. Since you came back from the villages, Ken. Focus and go back to school so that you can become somebody in life. What is wrong with you? I've told you.
He got all this for you. He got me everything.
Oh my God, it's such a darling. It's the love of my life. Oh, I can't wait to see him again. Look at everything he's bought for me. See, my man is rich. He is so rich.
So he's now your man?
Before Uncle, he has always been my man now. Okay, fine. I know we separated a bit, and that's it.
May God have mercy upon you, Sonia. You are so evil.
Why now? Why would you say that?
If you see the way you were raining insult on this guy, I can't even believe this guy took you back.
Please, you better just stop this. Just stop this disrespect. What is all this one now? Why are you saying all this? Now today, man and woman, they fight, they settle. Of course, people fight in their relationships and they break up and they make up and they settle. So what's that? What did they talk now?
But Sonia, you and I know that you came back to him because he's now rich.
And so, is it a crime? Is it a crime for me to like wealth? At least I pushed him into making money. And now he has made the money, so let me enjoy it.
Well, there's nothing wrong in liking wealth, or there's nothing wrong in making money, but well, I'm happy for you.
That's what you're supposed to say. Don't be this one when they talk. See this back. That's fine. That's fine. I can't like this.
Fine.
It's so fine.
So what of Ruben?
Ruben, who is Ruben?
You don't know Ruben again? Hey, Sonia. Your boss, Ruben, and the love of your life.
Oh, that one. That fool. See, let me tell you something. I am turning in my resignation letter tomorrow. And when I get there, I'm like, hey you, I am done with you. I am breaking up with you. I don't need you. Hands down, I'm done. Before.
Why?
What do you mean, why? Because I cannot be collecting that peanuts he's giving me. I'll work my ass out and he's going to give me peanuts. For what reason? I'm done. My man is rich. He can take care of me. So what's there?
Okay. I know I told you, you should leave him and all that, but why are you resigning? And it doesn't make sense. Will you depend on Ken forever?
Ken is not complaining.
Sonia, I am disappointed in you. I am disappointed in the way you handle things. Seriously.
You're disappointed in me. Okay, let me tell you what you will do. You will look for a bar. You see that disappointment? You will put it inside. You will roll it, throw it up and swallow it. If you need cold juice, I'll give it to you so you download everything inside. Nonsense. And then I'm just I beg carry it and give me job, bad belly. And there's advantage in you. No blaming, and I can't tell you gist.
Babe, you're resigning.
Who's your babe? Yes, I am resigning and I am ending things with you. It is done. It is over between you and I.
Just like that?
You're very stupid. You're very stupid for asking me that question. You know what? I have never met a man that's as stingy as you are. It's that stinginess that will kill you. Akagon.
Sonia, why are you speaking to me in that manner?
Who are you? No, who are you? Who do you think you are? Oh, because you have this cubicle of the office, you think you've landed. This box, you're calling it office, my company, you think you have landed, So let me tell you, my man will buy this your office and you together.
Oh, there's a new man already?
Of course. What were you expecting?
Wow.
What you failed to appreciate, another man is worshipping it.
Wow.
Yes, wow. You're the biggest mistake I have ever made in my entire life. Look at you. See his head. See your small face. I beg, shift. Nonsense. If you want, I'll even dash you money. Nonsense.
Wow. Really?
My father is not around. I said my father is not around. Who is there, Kwano? What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
See me for?
Can I at least sit down?
No. No, don't sit down. Go back to your fine mansion and to your girlfriend. Just leave me alone.
Amaka, I was honest with you. I told you I did not like you the way you liked me.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Why? Because Amaka is a local girl. Because I am a dropout. Because I am slow. Abi? I heard you telling your friend.
My guy, where you buy this food from? Have I never chop okra before?
I never buy one. Nah, that my landlord daughter. She give me.
Amaka, Mo, this girl really likes you.
I know.
You say like her now.
I like her, but not with the way she did like me.
Right now?
I feel like that girl like that now.
What's
Best when no finish secondary school. it goes slow. The brain, 1 megabyte. What tell you that one go?
I beg you, don't finish the girl. Don't finish her now. But the girl feels sweet.
Oh, well, she did try.
She did try. Cook. But you said she still like the girl. If you run am now, be na girl. She sabi cook. Sabi cook.
You are in my room, so you know.
And so?
You dey chop my food.
I'll be your visitor now.
Just mind yourself. Just eat and just leave me alone.
So because I said the food sweet now, you want to do yanga. I know be you cook am. You know even buy am. Ken.
See Bola, they chop for my room. Come and shout.
Bola come visit you now. What do you expect?
Now what are you go drink if you come normal? My guy, where they meet now?
Now two I don't chop.
Why? Now your food.
But we dey chop am together.
Why you go chop 2 meat when me I never take one self?
Manage the one where remain now.
No touch meat again, no.
Now visitor I big. Why they do like this? Now visitor now. I beg.
Come the ball for my room.
I be Bola. Better Bola.
Amaka, I am sorry. I am.
No. No. I don't need your apologies. Don't even apologize to me. Okay? I have accepted my fate. You don't have to apologize to me. I know who I am. I am a school dropout. I don't have any levels. You are on a big level. Me, I am here. You are here. So please, just leave me alone. Do you know how I loved you? Do you know how with all my heart, pure love I have for you? Even when nobody was there for you, I was there for you. Even when my father was angry with me, I still stuck by you. No problem, oh. I have accepted my fate. I know what I am. Amaka the local girl, a school dropout. So please, just leave me alone. Okay? There's no problem. I am so happy that God answered my prayer and you are now a big man and you have a big house. It is fine. I am not going to bear any grudge against you. Oh, please leave me alone. Leave me alone! Go back to your mansion. Just leave me alone. Leave me. Amaka, the local girl, the illiterate girl, the dropout. Just leave me alone. Please. Leave me alone! I said get out! Okay. Get out from this place now.
I will leave.
Yes.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Say sir. I am sorry. What I will quiet ever. Mommy, ma.
Hey, boo boo kitty. Why you? What's up with you? Wait, what's going on?
I'm tired.
Tired? Why are you tired?
Nothing.
Babe, you know you can always talk to me, huh?
I know.
So, I was thinking of moving in.
Moving in?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Like old times. You know? Like the way we used to stay together. And I don't want to be far from you.
You can't. You can't.
What do you mean by I can't?
Julia, you can't move in.
Why?
Amaka comes here every day and I don't want her to be uncomfortable.
You don't want me to move in because of that in BK?
Please, can you not call her that? You need to understand. You know she's mad at me because of what she saw last time. And I'm still trying to, you know, pacify her and ask for forgiveness.
It's okay. I don't want to know. I don't want to hear anything. Really? Hey, God. That dirty girl, because of her, you don't want me to move in. Okay, well, no problem. That's fine, okay.
How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you do real deal. I'm busy picking stones, leaving diamonds. Doing what is wrong, thinking it is right. And how
Amaka
can I be so stupid?
Amaka Koronku! Amaka the man thief, where are you?
Come out! What is wrong with you? You came into my compound and you are barking like a dog. Calling out my daughter saying that, are you mad?
Oh, no wonder. Like father, like daughter.
Will you shut up your mouth?
See, tell that your man thief to stay away from my man.
Hey, hold it.
So you don't know. Your daughter is a boyfriend snatcher. She's a thief. Tell her to stay away from my man, else I will deal with her.
You are very stupid.
I am not stupid.
You are stupid.
It's your daughter that is stupid.
How dare
your daughter
are
together.
How dare you come into my compound and threaten my daughter? Enough, Wala. Hey!
So, if they ask people that have compound to come out, you will carry yourself and come out. I'm landlord.
You are very stupid.
I am not stupid.
You are stupid.
This your dilapidated building that is almost about to collapse. It will collapse on you and your daughter's head and you will die. Useless people. I'm not stupid. Tell her to stay away from my man. Tell her to stay away from my man. Man thief. How are you? This is where you are, eh? Amaka Koronku. See, you better stay away from my man. I don't want to ever see you close to my man again. Okay? Because I am speaking English with you, eh? See, make I tell you, I get Chris for head. If you come close to my man, I go send boys to you, they go beat you, I go panic beat you. No try come near him again, no. What kind of rubbish is this? Look at her, Mbeke like you are coming close to my man. Do you know what I've been through with him? Eh? Do you know? You don't want to come and claim him. Don't you ever come close to him. Nonsense. Look at her. See this one. Mbeke. Come back next time. I will finish you.
You see your life? If you see your life, I warned you. I warned you about that boy. You said, It's my love. It's everything. You can imagine that Onu Pink coming here to insult me in my house. You're outside. Oh, the man.
Hello, sir. Good day. I'm fine. And yourself?
The woman came to the compound yesterday and threatened my daughter. I didn't want to call you initially, but I changed my mind.
What?
Again, because Amaka is the only child I have left. Please, stay away from her. I don't want a woman to hurt her. Because I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. Thank you. And good day.
Sir, please, just hold on. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Mother Ken, smile now. I've been telling you jokes since. Eh?
I've told you I'm not in the mood.
Okay, what will make you be in the mood? Tell me, I will do anything for you.
Nothing. I'm fine.
There must be something. Okay. Can I dance for you?
No, why would...
Let me dance for you. What kind of dance do you like?
Make me sway, baby swallow, baby lose my breath, baby swallow, baby sway, baby swallow, baby lose my breath, baby swallow, make me sway, make me swallow, make me lose my breath, make me swallow, baby sway.
Hey, baby.
You went to Amaka's house to threaten her?
Well, technically, I didn't threaten her. I just asked her to stay away from my man.
How dare you? Why would you do that? Why would you go there to disturb their peace? Do you know what these people have done for me?
Can you calm down?
Do not tell me to calm down.
Why are you talking to me like this? Because of that girl?
Don't you ever in your miserable life call her that girl. I will not sit down and watch you disrespect or hurt her in any way.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I went there to ask her to leave my man.
What was I thinking? What the hell was I thinking bringing you back into my life? You know, I thought I loved you. But I guess it was infatuation and the idea of what we could have been.
What are you saying?
You see this thing we're doing? I am done. You hear me? It's over.
You're leaving me because of that local girl.
I have told you not to call her that thing! Get out of my house. Get out.
I should leave your house.
Get out before I do something stupid. Now get out!
Because of that thing.
Get out of my house!
Fine. Don't push me. I'll leave. But don't come back running to me.
Get out! Get out before I break your head. How could I have been this selfish?
How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you're doing real deal.
I have really messed up. Amaka is my true love. How am I going to fix this? How? Amaka, how are you?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You came here so that your girlfriend will come here and start threatening my life. You want her to kill me because of you.
She's not my girlfriend.
Then who is she?
Look, Amaka, I am sorry. I have come to realize my mistakes.
What mistakes?
The mistake of having something valuable but running around chasing chaff. I hate to admit it, but I always saw you to be one beneath me. I never saw myself to be with a girl like you. I felt I was better than you. I was stupid.
How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you're the real deal. I'm busy picking stones, sniffing diamonds.
I liked you and you always made me smile a lot.
And how can I be so stupid?
I look forward to seeing you every day. And that to me sounds like love. I cannot enjoy this new-found wealth without you by my side. Please.
Ken.
This is the first time you're calling me Ken. Just Ken.
I don't know. The whole thing is looking like I am a second option. I don't want to be anybody's second option. No. I don't want to.
Amaka, you are not a second option, okay?
I am. It looks like it now because you chose her. You chose your ex and you left me.
I was chasing shadows. I am sorry. Look, I got this for you. Okay?
Now, without 1 year, just go, please. Ken, please. You need to go.
Amaka, please.
Go home.
Okay, can you just take this?
I don't want your flower. Now, room because I got one flower. Please stop confusing me. Go home. Sir, out of nowhere, you just bring flower. You want to deceive me with flower.
Amaka, just wait.
Leave me alone, because carry rose flower. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Let you sleep off my hands. Girl, you are a great treasure, and I cannot leave you now. Because when everyone left me, girl, you are the baby, you're the only one that was there for me. You stood by my side every step of the way. You showed me what it means to love. Baby, you are the only one. Girl, you are the only that was there for me. That was there for me. Forgive me now for rejecting you. Now I realize that you're the one for me. You're the one for me. It's now I realize I cannot let you go. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. Now that I realize I cannot let you go. How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you're the real deal. I'm busy picking stones, sniffing diamonds. Doing what is wrong, thinking it is right. And how can I be so stupid to let you sleep off my hands? Girl, you are a great treasure, and I cannot leave you now. Because when everyone left me, girl, you are the baby, you're the only one that was there for me. You stood by my side every step of the way. You showed me what.
He's not going to call you. That young man has realized his mistakes.
Can you just shut up?
No, I will not shut up. You failed to eat your cake and have it, right? Well, I am so happy that young man has realized his mistakes before it became too late. And I hope you've learned from your own mistake too.
How can I make this kind of mistake?
Keep playing.
Pushing you aside.
Keep on shouting.
I'm busy picking
I'm not
stones,
letting you
sniffing
listen.
diamonds.
Keep playing.
Knowing what is wrong, thinking it is right. And how can I be so stupid to let you sleep off my hands? Girl, you are a great treasure, and I cannot leave.
Looks like someone has been drinking.
I'm sorry. I won't drink again.
Are you even eating?
You know I'm not good with cooking.
Anyways, I just came to check up on you. I was actually on my way for lessons.
You started school?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's great. I mean, you're a very smart girl, so I know you do very well.
Okay. Just take care of yourself.
Amaka. Don't leave me. I don't think I can do this life without you by my side. No amount of apologies can make up for all the hurt I have caused you. Just give me one more chance. Just one to make amends. I am only human. You, Amaka, are my guardian angel. It's evidence God sent you to my life, and it will kill me if I lose you. Please, don't leave me. I need you.
I've always loved you. I still love you.
And I love you too. With all my heart, I do.
I don't believe you.
It's true. With all my heart, I do.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
I don't believe you.
That's fine, okay? But I will spend the rest of my life proving to you how much I love you. And I will even write your name in the stars.
How are you going to see the stars?
I see the stars every night. I even draw the star to me.
Liar.
Thank you.
How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you're doing real deal. I'm busy picking stones, leaving diamonds. Knowing what is wrong, thinking it is right. And how can I be so stupid to let you slip off my hands? Girl, you are a great treasure, and I cannot leave you now. Because when everyone left me, girl, you are the baby, you're the only one that was there for me. You stood by my side every step of the way. You showed me what it means to love. Baby, you are the only one, girl, you are the only that was there for me. That was there oh, baby, forgive me now for rejecting you. Now I realize that you're the one for me. You're the one for me. It's now I realize I cannot let you go. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. Now that I realize I cannot let you go. How can I make this kind of mistake? Pushing you aside when you're doing real deal. I'm busy picking stones, leaving diamonds. Knowing what is wrong, thinking it is right. And how can I be so stupid to let you slip off my hands? Girl, you are a great treasure, and I cannot leave you now. Because when everyone left me, girl, you are the baby, you're the only one that was there for me. You stood by my side every step of the way. You showed me what it means to love. Baby, you are the only one, girl, you are for me. Oh baby, forgive me now for rejecting you. Now I realize that you're the one for me.